All right, guys, so for my sub-plans for tomorrow, the students are going to start out by doing the Functional Fitness Challenge discussion board. They're going to go into this discussion board by clicking here, and they're going to tell me what is one of the functional fitness tests that was the easiest one for them to do, which one of the functional fitness tests was the hardest one for them to do, and why do they think they were easy or hard. They did their functional fitness test yesterday, so they should know what to do there. You're then going to click on the Wheel of Fitness. When you bring this Wheel of Fitness up here, you'll notice that it's just going to be a wheel, and it's going to go through different fitness activities that I'd like them to do. I'd like them to do this for maybe 5 to 7 minutes to, spin through and do different activities to get them up and moving. So that will be their second activity. There is then a Components of Fitness video. It's about 4.5 minutes long. Their Learning Lab activity today is going to be the Components of Fitness quiz. So this is going to help prepare them for that Components of Fitness quiz. And then you have one of two options. So if you have Nearpod available, or if you'd like to, the link right here is the Components of Fitness slides. I made a student paced Nearpod. So when you click here, it's going to take them to the student paced Nearpod. And they can just jump in there and do it on their own, or you can go through it with them. I have logged in obviously through Google. All the students have their own Google, so I'm logged in through my own LCPS, but it is student-paced, so that means that anybody can access this link. So they'll just click through it here. These are the different components of fitness. The little thing up here will read it aloud to them. It'll read the slide aloud to them if you'd like to. And then there are a couple of questions here at the end. There's a fill in the blank where they're going to drag the words up to the blank and then click done to see if they got it correct. And then there's a 7-question quiz here with 7 different questions to help prepare them for the components of fitness. You can elect to do it that way. However, if you don't want to use the student-paced Nearpod, there is a Components of Fitness slide. It's a Google slide that you would just click this link. So you can either do one or the other. You don't have to do both. Then there's a meditation link here. It's about 1 minute long. It's just some mindfulness meditation that the students are going to work on. And you can do it with them. And then their last thing for today is to do the Learning Lab Components of Fitness quiz. And that is a major summative. It is due by Monday, but we encourage them to do it during the Learning Lab activity. When they're done with the Components of Fitness quiz, our activities that we have them do is there's a Monday activity folder in their Schoology that they're going to do some HIIT challenge workouts on their own outside. And then there's a Google form to record how they did with the HIIT challenges outside of class. So ultimately, we encourage them to do some working out sessions. I do stay in the Google Meet session during the Learning Lab time so that I can answer any questions they might have, especially since they'll be taking that major summative quiz. They might log back in and jump in for questions. And then if there are any students that need to finish up those functional fitness tests from yesterday, if they missed yesterday or they were confused, let them know that I'll work on that during Learning Lab with them next week. Thanks so much.